At the Center for Internal Medicine, we offer IV therapy to help hydrate, reduce wrinkles, boost energy, recover muscle, and much more. We prepare your treatment in a sterile field, which may include vitamin C, vitamin B, biotin, glutathione, amino acids, and more. We prepare the saline bag from a variety of IV packages we have to offer. Our skilled medical assistants use a small gauge needle to start the infusion. We have state-of-the-art heated massage chairs and entertainment options compatible with your smart devices. Experience IV therapy at the Center for Internal Medicine. Replenish, rehydrate, revitalize in a calm and relaxing environment.